Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and you are watching my channel Math with Sir Asim. Students, today we are going to do a very important questions from past papers. The topic is circular measure. This question appear in October, November 2015 paper, or you can say variant 1-1. And the question is, the diagram shows two circles, center A and B, each of radius 10 centimeter. The point B lies on the circumference of the circle with center A. The two circles intersect at the point C and D. The point E lies on the circumference of the circle center B, such that ABE is a diameter. Part number 1. Explain why triangle ABC is equilateral. This is part number 1. Students, you know, an equilateral triangle is a triangle whose all three sides are equal. So we have to show that this triangle is equilateral. Look at point A. A is the center of the circle. So from center to the circumference B, it is the radius. So radius is 10 centimeter. You can write over here 10. And similarly from A to C, C is at the circumference. So this is also the radius. It is 10. Now look at the center B, the another circle whose center is B, and the radius is given in the question is also 10 centimeter. So from center B to the circumference point C, it is also 10. So you can say AB is equals to AC is equals to BC. And all are 10 centimeter. So it is proved that, you can write, this proves that triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. Hope you understand. Now move to next part. The next part is, write down in terms of pi angle CBE. Angle CBE. So you know, in an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and all angles are equal. And each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree, or you can say in terms of radians, pi by 3. Pi by 3, because pi by 3 is equivalent to 60 degrees. So angle in a straight line is 180 degree, or you can say pi. So angle part 2, angle CBE is equals to the total angle, which is pi minus pi by 3. So pi minus pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3. This is the answer of part 2. Hope you understand. The requirement is to give the answer in terms of pi. So our answer is 2 pi by 3. Now move to third part. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. This part has 5 marks. So we have to do some more work in this part as compared to part 1 and part 2. Excuse me. In order to find the perimeter of the shaded region, we have to add all those lines which are touches to the shaded region. So first is arc A BD this arc is touches to the shaded region. The second is the line AB, which is also touches to the shaded region. And the third one is the arc BCD. Sorry, BAD. The arc BAD. So first we have to find arc ABD. Arc ABD is equals to, what is the formula of arc length? S is equals to R theta. So because the radius BA is 10 and the radius BD is also 10, because from other circle whose center is B, the circumference point is D. So if we draw a line from A to D, this is also 10. Why? Because A is the center and D is at the circumference. So triangle ABD is also an equilateral triangle. Therefore, this angle ABD is pi by 3. So S is equals to R theta. R is 10 and theta is pi by 3. So you may write 10 pi by 3. 10 pi by 3. So RABD is 10 pi by 3 and the length AB is simply a radius, so you may write 10. Now arc BAD, arc length of BAD, you can write arc BAD. So triangle ABD is equilateral triangle and triangle BAD is also equilateral triangles. So you can just write S is equals to R theta 10 pi by 3. 10 is radius and pi by 3 is angle. Now add all these three. Arc ABD is 10 pi by 3 plus length AB is 10 plus arc BAD is 10 pi by 3. 10 pi by 3, 10 pi by 3 is 20 pi by 3 plus 10, or you can use your calculator. You will get 30.9 centimeter. 30.9 centimeter is the answer of part 3. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. Now move to next part. The next part is part number 4. Find the area of the shaded region. So look at carefully the diagram. If we find the area of sector ABD, area of sector ABD plus area of sector BAD, you can say the shaded region can be calculated by combining two overlapping circular sector. Means sector ABD what is the formula of sector area? Is half radius square, which is 10 square, into theta. Theta you know is pi by 3. The answer is, you can use your calculator. 10 square is 100. 100 upon 2. I am using my calculator. 100 divided by 6. 50 upon 3 pi. 50 upon 3 pi. So sector ABD from circle A and sector BAD from circle B. See this? Sector BAD from circle B. The area is same because ABD or BAD. So you may write sector BAD, which is also same, 50 upon 3 pi. Now, if we add the areas of these two sectors together, we cover the entire shaded region. But because the equilateral triangle ABD sits inside both sectors, adding them together means we have counted the triangle's area twice. So to fix this overlap, we add the two sectors and subtract the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle ABD, area of triangle ABD. What is the area? What is the formula of the area of triangle ABD? Is 1 upon 2 into first side, which is 10, second side, which is 10, and sine of the given angle, which is, pi by 3. So find the answer of this area of triangle using your calculator, but your calculator must be in radian mode. You will get 1 upon 2, 10 into 10, 100. Sine pi by 3 is root 3 upon 2, or you may say 100 upon 4 root 3, or you can say 50 upon 2 root 3. So our final answer is area of sector ABD is 50 upon 3, 50 pi by 3. Area of sector BAD is also 50 upon 3 pi minus the area of triangle 25 upon 2, you can say 25 root 3. Kindly wait. Hundred divided by 4. Yes. 100 divided by 4 is 25. So you may write 25 root 3. Use your calculator to find the final answer. So 50 pi plus 50 pi is 100. Pi divided by 3 minus 25 root 3. The answer is 61.4 centimeter square. So students, it is very important to locate the diagram carefully. In this part, sector ABD and sector BAD. If we add these two areas and set that this is our final answer, it will be wrong because ABD sits inside both sectors. Adding them together means we have counted the triangle's area twice. That's why we subtracted area of triangle once. So this is our today's class where we did this question which appeared in October-November 2015 paper 1-1. I request all of you kindly to subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my channel, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.